Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to save Excel file with password protection. Okay, for that I am going to open Excel spreadsheet. This is my Excel spreadsheet, but this file can be opened by anyone because this file is not password protected. So how can I save my file with password protection so that nobody can enter into this file without my permission? Okay, for that, at first you will go to File menu, then Save As option you will click, then Browse. See here, file name. I am giving the file name here. How to save file with password. How to save file with password. This is the file name, and here you will get an option Tools. You will click on it. See, you will get several options. Please click on General Options. I'm clicking on it. Then it will show password to open. The next option, password to modify. No, for the first time, that is why I am giving password to open. From the keyboard, I have written 1 to 3. This is my password. Then OK. Again, I have to write the password 1, 2, 3. Then OK. Then I will click Save button. This file has now been saved as a password protected one. That means nobody can enter into my file without giving password. Okay, I am closing it to check it is working or not. See here, this is the file. How to save file with password. I am double clicking on it. Yes, it is not opening. It requires password. See here, how to save file with password is protected password. That means it requires password. Okay, I'm giving the password 1, 2, 3. Then okay. Say my file has been opened. In this way, you can protect your Excel spreadsheet using password. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.